Draganfly delivers first of 3 situational assessment drones to Ukraine. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Drone solutions and systems developer leader Draganfly Inc. announced that it has delivered the first of 3 situational assessment drones to DSNS Emergency Services Department in Kyiv, Ukraine. The company will deliver 2 additional situational assessment drones to DSNS in other regions of Ukraine, granting situational awareness intel, infrastructure assessments, and aid in search and rescue operations across the country. A central body of executive power coordinated by the Cabinet of Ministers through the Minister of Internal Affairs, the State Emergency Service of Ukraine applies state policies in the domain of civil protection, protection of population and territories from emergencies, emergency prevention, rectification of emergency consequences, rescue work, fire extinguishing, fire and technogenic safety, accident rescue service activities, and hydrometeorologic activities. The automated situational assessment drone makes use of RGB and multispectral imaging solutions to grant the operator instantly available maps for future use. The lightweight, intuitive drones offer several flight and data capture options and help to increase situational awareness, assist in hazardous and inaccessible areas, and improve overall efficiency for ground resources. Our drones continue to play a significant role in assisting and aiding the people of Ukraine, said Draganfly President and CEO Cameron Chell. Draganfly has been engaged with several organizations to ensure Ukraine is supported with the best available technology. We are excited to get the first of 3 situational assessment drones to DSNS Emergency Services Ukraine to make an even greater impact in the country. Draganfly's drone technology is crucial in helping ensure our first responders remain safe while responding to emergencies, said Yuri Anakienko, International Cooperation Specialist with the main department of the State Emergency Service of Ukraine in Kyiv region. Drones are the primary tools in this conflict. They provide our first responders with the necessary information to respond to operations effectively. Due to the sheer number and severity of incidents that first responders are having to manage, they need all the specialized equipment they can get their hands on to help during this conflict, said Firefighter Aid Ukraine founder Kevin Royal. Draganfly's situational assessment drones will provide first responders in Ukraine the chance to create a safe plan when they need to respond to dangerous and inaccessible areas.